A very good morning to all my lovely students. I hope you all are fine and good in health. And I hope you all are studying every day, isn't it? Yes, you have to study every day and you have to improve your handwriting as well. Okay? So today we are going to study about body organs and this lesson is given in your Speak Well Conversation book. So take out your Speak Well Conversation book and be ready. So children, the name of the lesson is body organs. Okay, and this is chapter number 7 and it's on page number 1717 in your Speak Well Conversation book. Okay, so in this lesson children, we are going to study about our eyes, our nose, our ears and much more. So let's get started and read our first question. So our first question, what is this? Now, here is a picture of a boy, and the question is asking, what is this? So, the answer given here is, this is the picture of our body. Okay, what is the picture showing? This is showing our body. Okay, now question number 2, how many eyes do we have? Okay, now this is a very simple question. All of you must be knowing the answer. So how many eyes we've got? We have got 2 eyes. So the answer is we have 2 eyes. 1, 2. So 2 eyes. Now question number 3. What do we do with them? Now what do we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. Okay. Then question number 4. How many years do we have? Now this is also a very simple question. So how many years do we have? We have 2 years. So let's read the answers. Answer, we have 2 years. Okay. Now question number 5. What do we do with our ears? Now what do we do with our ears? We hear with our ears. Okay. Then question number 6. How many noses do we have? So how many noses do we have? We have got 2 noses? No. We have 1 nose. Okay, all of you have got 1 nose. So then question number 7. How does our nose help us? So our nose helps us to smell things. Yes, we smell different things. Okay. Then question number 8. What is the color of our teeth? So our teeth are white in color. Okay, you will not say teeth. Okay, our teeth are white in color. Then question number 9. How do our teeth help us? Now what do we do with our teeth? We bite our food and we chew our food with our teeth. So the answer is, our teeth help us to bite and chew our food. Okay. If we don't chew our food, we won't be able to eat our food. Isn't it? So teeth help us to chew our food. Then this, we will come to our next page. This is page number 1818. Okay. Then question number 10. How do we keep our teeth clean? Now this I have told you many times that if you want to keep your teeth clean, okay, you have to brush your teeth twice a day. Once in the morning and once at night. So the answer is, we brush our teeth twice a day to keep them clean. Okay, this is very important. Question number 11. Which part of our body helps us to move and run? Now, we move from one place to the other with the help of which part of our body? With our legs, isn't it? Yes, you run, you walk, you skip. So, our legs help us to do all these things. So, the answer is, our legs help us to move and run. Okay. Then question number 12. How many legs do we have? This is very simple. We have 2 legs. Then question number 13. How many legs do animals have? Okay. If you've got a pet at home, so you notice if you've got a dog or a cat, so they are having 4 legs. So animals have 4 legs. Okay. Now question number 14. Do birds have legs? Yes. Birds have 2 legs and 2 wings. Okay. Wings help to fly. Question number 15. How many hands do we have? This is very simple. We have 2 hands. Then question number 16. What do we do with our hands? Now we do various things with our hands. We brush our teeth. We comb our hair. Okay. Then we clap our hands. Mommy cooks food, isn't it? So the answer is we work with our hands. We write and draw with our hands. We hold things with our hands. Our mothers cook food with their hands. When we are happy, we clap our hands. So we do various things with our hands. So children, in this lesson, the body organs, you have to learn the question answers only till question number 12. Okay. So just learn all the answers, okay, till question number 12. Question 12 and answer 12. Okay. So now you take out your English classwork copy. We are going to learn spellings and be ready. So children, this is your English classwork copy. So today we are going to learn spellings. Okay. And these spellings will come in the form of dictation. Ma'am will orally tell you and you have to write the spellings on your own without seeing. So the topic, you can ask your parents to write it down for you. Spellings for dictation. Classwork and date you have to write on your own. So number 1, let's read the spelling. H-U-N-G-R-Y. Hungry. Okay, when you want to eat food. Okay, when you want to eat food, so that time you are hungry. So H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. Then number 2, L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Okay, little means small. Then number 3, W-O-M-A-N, woman. Okay, woman means a lady. Then number 4, C-O-O-K, cook. Number 5, P-O-O-R, poor. Number 6, T-A-S-T-Y, tasty. Mummy cooks tasty food, yummy food. Then 7, P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Okay, if you want to borrow something, if you want to ask something to your parents, you should use this word please. Then number 8, T-O-W-N, town. Number 9, F-A-R-M, farm, where you keep the animals. Okay. Then number 10, chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. Then number 11, T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. Turkey is a bird. Then A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. Okay. Then 13, S-H-O-W, show. Please show me your book. Okay. Then 14, N-O-R-T-H, north. This is the direction. Then number 15, W-I-N-D, wind. Wind means a breeze. Then number 16, S-U-N, sun. The sun is hot. 17, W-A-T-E-R, water. Please give me a glass of water. Then number 18, angry, angry. Then number 19, king, king. And number 20, palace, palace. So these are the 20 words which you have to write it down in your copy and learn it up as well. So you can just have a look at all the 20 words which you have to learn and write it down in your English classwork copy. So children, after our English, we are going to do our GK. Okay, so this is your GK book, and today we are going to learn about animal and sounds. Okay, so today we are going to learn about animals and the sound they make, or in short we can say the way they speak to each other. Okay, so our first animal over here is a dog, and dog barks, barks, barks. Then cow moose, moos, moose. Then elephant trumpets, trumpets, trumpets. Then duck quacks, quacks, quacks. Then cat, cat, mews, mews. Then cock crows, crows, crows. Then horse neighs, neighs, neighs. Donkey brays, brays, brays. Snake hisses, hisses, hisses. Then crow caws, caws. Owl, owl, hoots, hoots, hoots. Then goat bleats, bleats, bleats. So these were the animal and their sounds. Then after this we are going to do exercise number 2, and this is on page number 2727 in your book. Okay, exercise number 1 we did before. Okay, now we are going to do exercise number 2. So let's read the instruction. Write animal sounds in the boxes given below. Now the names of the animals are given, and over here at the bottom of the page a help box is given. So we have to choose the correct answer and fill in the boxes here. So first one, wolves, wolves. Now how the wolves speak, or how or what type of sound they take out. So wolves howl. Howl is given at the bottom, so you can see the spelling from there. So HOWL, howl. Wolves howl. Then B, sheep bleats, BLEAT, bleat. So rest I have done for you. So let's read it out. Lion roar, dog bark, asses bray, frogs croak, elephants trumpet, cows moo, camels grunt, goats bleat, owls hoot, and cats mew. So you have to complete this exercise on page number 27 in your book. So after this you take out your GK classwork copy and we will do the same exercise in the copy as well. So children, this is your GK class book copy. You can see on top CW is written, date you will write on your own, and heading animals and sounds, and I have divided the page into half. Okay, so first animal, dog, dog, and dog barks. So we will quickly write the spelling of barks, BARKS, barks. Then cow, moose, MOOS, moose. Then DUCK, duck, quacks, QUACKS, quacks. Then number 4, cat, mews, MEWS, mews. Then bird, chirps, CHIRPS, chirps. Bird chirps. Then number 6, horse, neighs, NEIGHS, neighs. Then number 7, donkey, brays, BRAYS, brays. Then number 8, crow, cause, CAWS, cause. Then number 9, goat, bleats, BLEATS, bleats. And then number 10, frog, croaks, CROAKS, croaks. So these are the 10 animals and their sounds. So you have to write this down in your copy and learn the sounds and the animals both. Okay, and keep it ready for the next class. So after our animal and sounds, we are going to learn one more topic in GK, the things we see in the sky. Now children, this is the exercise in which you can write your own answers apart from the answers which I'm going to give you. Okay, so let's read the sentence on top. Things we see in the sky. Now you have to write down the 10 things which you see in the sky. So let's begin. Number 1. In afternoon, what do you see? We see the sun. So THE, the, and SUN, sun. Then at night you see the moon, MOON, moon. Then number 3, at night you see the stars, they twinkle in the night, stars. Then you see a kite, okay, KITE, kite. Then number 5, you can also see the balloons, BALLOONS, balloons. Then number 6, you see aeroplane, AEROPLANE, aeroplane. Then rocket, ROCKET, rocket. Sometimes you see a rocket also. Then number 8, you see the clouds, CLOUDS, clouds. Then rainbow, you can write rainbow, RAINBOW, rainbow. And then birds, you can write BIRDS, birds. So these are the 10 things which you see in the sky. The sun, the moon, stars, kite, balloons, aeroplane, rocket, clouds, rainbow, and birds. So these are the 10 things which you see in the sky. And on the plain side, what you have to do? You have to divide your page into 10 parts. Okay, like this I'm showing you. And then what you have to do? You have to write the things which you see at the bottom of each corner. Over here, the sun, the moon, the kite, the stars, and so on. And over here you can stick the picture, and if not, then you can make the pictures. These pictures are very easy. For example, the first one, the sun, you can make a sun and then you can quickly color the sun. Then you can make the moon, okay, like this. Then you can make the stars, and so on. So this work you have to do and keep it ready. So children, after GK work, we are going to do some art work also today. We are going to draw and color a joker. Okay, the jokers, you can see the jokers in the circus, isn't it? And they wear colorful clothes and they make us laugh, isn't it? So today we are going to draw a joker, and this joker is very easy to draw. So let's get started. Now the steps. First step, what you're going to do, you are going to draw a straight line like this. Okay. Then you are going to make a triangle. Making a triangle is very easy. Okay, like this. Then a small circle on the topmost corner of the triangle, like this. Then what you're going to do, you are going to draw a semicircle. Semicircle means a half circle like this. I'm using my sketch pen, but you have to use your pencil to draw. And once you draw, then you can make the outline with a black sketch pen. Okay. Then you make two eyes, a nose, and a smiling face. Okay. Then two slanting lines, one this side and one this side, like this. Then you can make a frill making U, alphabet U. See, U, U, or you can say a W also, U, U, and join over here, like this. Isn't it easy? Yes. Then over here, you can make colorful circles. Okay, like this. You can make the circles and then you can color it up. Over here on the frill also, you can make some other design. I have made circles over here this side. And if not, then you can make straight lines like this. See. Okay. Then over here, again, you have to make W like this. Join it up here. Then same goes this side also. W, W, and join it up like this. Isn't it easy? Yes, it is very easy. And once you draw it, make the outline with the black sketch pen and color the joker in different colors. So children, this is it. So now your homework. English, you have to write and learn the spellings for dictation, the 20 spellings. Then GK, complete animals and sounds. And second thing, things we see in the sky and stick pictures. Okay, then GK today, do exercise number 2 on page number 27 in your book with your pencil. Then number 4, art, draw and color a joker in the plain drawing copy. Okay, plain art copy. Then number 5, speak well conversation, read and learn pages 17 and 18. So that's all for today, children. Take care. God bless you all. Bye-bye.